Standing up. Hi, standing up by the couch. Yes, her is. Mommy's scared you'll fall. Look at you. Brayley. Brayley. Hey, booger. I know. Look at you, huh? What you doing? What you doing, Brayley? Brayley. Whoop, there she goes. Yep, and put you back up there. Oh, look, she wants back up there. So get me back up there, Mama. Get me back up there. There we go. Whoop, nope. You gotta stand up, Pumpkin. Good girl. Yay. Move that leg. Put this one on here. Here we go. Say, look at me. I'm standing. Yes, I am. Big girl. 8 months old. Look at you, Brayley. What you doing?